Let's learn how to find out the cube roots very quickly. If you practice them well, you can get them within 20 seconds. Let's learn how. We have the numbers here and their cubes. You need to study the pattern with the numbers and their cubes. If a number ends with 1, the cube of the same number will also end with 1. If a number ends with 2, the cube of that number will end with 8, and so on. So the numbers 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 0 will have the same numbers in their cubes also. It is just 2, 3, 7, 8. Now remember the perfect squares? They'll never end with 2, 3, 7, 8. So 2, 3, 7, 8 are naughty numbers. They choose to have different partners. So 2 will have a partner 8. That means if a number ends with 2, the cube of the same number will end with 8. If a number ends with 3, the cube of that number will end with 7, and vice versa. So once you memorize all these, once you have this in your mind, it's very easy to get the cube root. Let's find out the cube root of 17,576. The first thing is to group them. You have to group them in 3 digits starting from backwards. So first we'll group 576. The number 576 ends with 6. So this cube root will have 6 in the digits place. Next, focus on the number which is left out here. 17 is left out. We need to find out a perfect cube which is closer to 17 and smaller than it. So we have 8. The cube root of 8 is 2. Right? So just combine 2 and 6. It becomes 26. So the cube root of the number 17,576 is 26. Isn't that easy? All you have to do is just memorize the first 10 cubes and just keep in mind the pattern of the ones digit. Once you're done with it, you'll just excel and make out the cube root in 20 seconds. Let's practice more. Let's find out the cube root of 79,507. Would you like to do it? Because the number ends with 7, the cube root will end with 3. Let's focus on 79. Find out a cube which is closer to 79 but smaller than that, which is 64. The cube root of 64 is 4. So the cube root of this whole number is 43. Let's practice one more. 9,41,192. It ends with 2. Here we have two groups, 192 and 941. The last digit is 2. So the cube root will end with 8. The next group, 941. Which is the closer cube? Close to 941? Yes, it is 9 cube, which is 729. So you have 98 as the cube root. Isn't that easy? Now let's practice one more on your own. Did you get it? Follow the channel for more such tricks.